Welcome to another amazing video brought to you by Team Teramind. In today's video, we will run through the Teramind dashboard in 10 minutes. You'll notice I already started the clock on myself, so this will truly be a 10-minute video. For those of you new to the channel, Teramind is a unique user behavior analytics solution that comprises all the aspects of monitoring, DLP, and forensics all under one roof. We are agent-based and offer both an award-winning cloud and on-premise solution. Since I have less than 10 minutes, let's jump right in. So once logged in, you'll note that Teramind has over 100 different use cases. While this is 100% true, I have less than 10 minutes, so let's move along. Within seconds of logging in, you'll immediately find that the Teramind dashboard is modernized and easily customizable. As we run through the dashboard, you will note that Teramind has its eye on quite a bit. Keep in mind, any aspect of what Teramind offers as a monitoring feature can be fully tweaked to the point where you'll be fully compliant with any regional monitoring law or code of ethics instilled within your organization. The first solution offering we can look at is Teramind's session recording feature. Session recording will provide you with the ability to view live sessions and track back to view previously recorded video sessions. Teramind's cloud solution provides you with a 6-month window for video sessions. For on-premise, you have full control of retention. Notable features here are live and recorded playback of user sessions, exportation of video files, remote access of user sessions, manually locking a user session, and audio recording. As for reporting, Teramind will report on nearly every action undertaken by your users. We provide you with reports for websites visited, applications used, console commands, email activity including webmail, file transfer activity including removable media devices, social media, instant messaging, keystrokes, searches conducted by your users, screenshot style reporting, printed documents, sessions, and network monitoring. Since we're pressed on time here, I'll jump into the most commonly used reports and highlight unique aspects for those reports. Web and applications will simply report on any website or application viewed by your users for any specified period. For all reports, filtering is made easy, and every reported instance in Teramind is tagged with a video file, allowing for immediate hindsight on user actions. With web and applications, you can also get immediate metrics on productivity based on your classifications. Email will report on any incoming or outgoing emails for your users, including webmail. With email, you can also view the content of the email that was sent or received, including content of any attachments that were sent. File transfer activity will focus on any local files, web files, or files that were accessed through the use of a removable media device like a USB. You can easily filter and build reports based on specific file operations. Instant messaging will report on usage of instant messengers provided by Facebook, Google, Skype, Slack, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. With instant messaging, you can view the full content of the conversation. Keystrokes will provide you with a full keystroke logger, while searches will provide you with any online or offline searches your users conduct. Prints will report on any documents printed by your users across any printers they may have access to. With prints, you can also view the scanned copy of the full document. Snapshot reporting will provide you with a breakdown of a user session in 10-minute slots, reporting on both user activity and productivity. With snapshot reporting, you can investigate the full 10-minute slot in the form of a full video file. The core of the Teramind solution is its state-of-the-art policy enforcement engine, whereby you can start to build multi-condition policies to get immediate notifications as users violate those policies, as well as take automated action to limit or block user activity in real time. Feel free to utilize templated policies provided by Teramind or build multi-condition policies of your own. Common policies used by our customers include configuring an alert on any user behavior, including web, email, keystrokes, file transfer activity, instant messaging, and more, blocking an email from being sent on any platform if they match a certain criteria, prevent a user from instant messaging on a specific platform or with specific users, block websites or limit usage of websites to certain times, stop users from writing to a USB key, uploading to a cloud drive, or sending certain email attachments, and locking out users pending administrator unlock for any action. Teramind's policy enforcement engine can also trigger alerts based on anomalous user activity. Here, the primary focus is deviation in regular user behavior. When defining an anomaly, you have the flexibility to define thresholds and baselines. When creating policies, keep in mind you can tag policies and specify the level of risk associated with violating those policies. While this is completely optional, its implementation will allow Teramind to report on risk. The risk dashboard will provide you with a means to understand where in the organization you're accumulating risk, as well as how to decrease that risk over time. The graphs above will give you an indication of what departments are more prone to violating policies, as well as when policies are generally violated. Just below you will find 3 reports highlighting risky users, most commonly violated policies, along with websites and applications used in conjunction with those policy violations. Teramind's intelligent session mining feature is an OCR forensic solution that reports on visual access information as opposed to actions committed by users. This is crucial when conducting a forensics investigation and can report on visual access to simple text, text in the form of an image, as well as a regular expression search to report on access to sequences of numbers. The report will provide you with a snapshot of when the searched information was viewed by the user and will highlight the portion of the user session where the information can be found. From there, you can view the recorded playback to fully understand the chain of events associated with access to the data. Just to recap the solution offerings covered thus far, we discussed session recording for live and historic playback of user sessions, individual reports covering all user actions, behavior rules to keep administrators in the know and threats at bay, risk analysis in both understanding the current state of risk and mitigating that risk over time, and finally, Teramind's intelligent session mining feature for OCR forensics. Now I know what you're thinking. The Teramind agent has its eye on quite a bit of information, and even in the hands of a trusted administrator, should they go rogue, they could potentially cause a lot of damage using the reported data in the Teramind dashboard. Teramind combats the rogue administrator in 2 different ways. The first option available to you is access control. With access control, you can attribute permissions for administrative access while being in full control of what can be viewed within the Teramind dashboard. The second option is through the system log. The system log is a watch-the-watcher style report which will provide you with a means to fully understand who is viewing what within the Teramind dashboard. As for deployment, Teramind offers both an award-winning cloud and on-premise solution. For the cloud, install the Teramind agent on stations or servers you want to monitor and see data on your dashboard immediately. We'll manage the cloud solution, which means everything automatically scales to ensure reliability and security. We also manage the server so your IT team doesn't have to, and all updates occur automatically with no need to deploy patches. Flexible licensing options, no server or hardware to install, deploy in minutes, save time and money, and get immediate software updates. It's that easy. If your organization requires more control or has strict compliance requirements, our on-premise solution is right for you. The on-premise version of our software contains exactly the same features as the cloud solution, and it will require minimal IT intervention to deploy and maintain. Easy deployment, maintain full control of your environment, industry and government compliant, control your own storage, and control your own backups. It's just as easy. Teramind supports the following platforms: Windows operating system 7 and up, Citrix environments, Windows servers 2008 and up, VMware, and OS X. As for agent architecture, the Teramind agent is super lightweight at approximately 30 megabytes of memory and will not hinder the user's ability to utilize their endpoint, consuming anywhere between 1% to 3% of CPU at peak. Teramind offers both a stealth and revealed agent. The stealth agent is non-obtrusive and completely transparent to the user. Teramind is signed and registered with all major antivirus vendors and supports offline monitoring. As Teramind caters to the international community, celebrating more than 2,000 global customers across the cloud and on-premise solution, technical support reps are available 24/7 for your convenience. Should you have any technical questions or require support for both purchases and trials, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, or send us a message in the chat window. With under a minute left, I just wanted to take the moment to thank you for viewing the video and expressing your interest in Teramind. Keep in mind, Teramind offers free trials for both cloud and on-premise deployments. For more information on trials and pricing, please visit our pricing page. Links can be found in the video description.